Dino egg.
My
What kind of dinosaur is this?
Dinosaurs eat plants.
Yeah, it plants. How about this one?
T-Rex.
What is the full name of T-Rex?
Dinosaurs Rex.
Very good. Tyrannosaurus Rex. How about this one?
Triceratops.
How about this?
Spinosaurus.
And this one, the orange one.
Stegosaurus.
That one, the green one.
Raptor.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh. You like dinosaur?
Dinosaurs.
Do you like dinosaurs?
Dinosaurs.
We have no Ankylosaurus.
The dinosaurs, okay?
Okay, if we have money, okay?
Okay, Daddy, I have a surprise. Ankylosaurus.
Yes, if Daddy have a money, Daddy will buy you a present again.
I buy Ankylosaurus.
Okay, how about pterodactyl?
Oh, no pterodactyl.
I cannot find pterodactyl. If Mommy find pterodactyl, I'll buy you a pterodactyl. Okay. Kuya Terdy, what's this? Pteranodon. How about this one? This one. It's okay, this one.
Argentinosaurus.
Very good. How about this? How about this?
Dilophosaurus.
Yeah. And this one?
Brachiosaurus.
Brachio. This one?
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. This one?
T-Rex.
What's the complete name of T-Rex?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. How about this one?
Nodosaurus.
Nodosaurus. How about this one?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Again. How about this?
Ankylosaurus.
Ankylosaurus. Yeah. How about this?
Parasaurolophus.
Parasaurolophus. Yeah, you're right.
Parasaurolophus?
Yeah. How about this one?
Pachycephalosaurus.
Pachycephalosaurus. Yeah. And this one?
Apatosaurus.
Apatosaurus. Yeah. Thank you, Kuya. And this one?
Stegosaurus.
Yeah, Stegosaurus. Another one?
Triceratops.
Yeah.
Tanate.
Yeah. And what is this?
Spinosaurus.
Yeah.
What is that, Mom?
Yeah. What is the... Who is the king of the dinosaur?
T-Rex.
Yeah. Oh, can you show me how to do it? Oh. Can you show me? Sige. Ah! Kind of broken na. How about this one? What kind of...
Brachiosaurus.
Yes. And the last one?
Spinosaurus.
Yeah. Thank you, Kuya. Kuya, thank you.
You're welcome.